going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, as all you gamers probably already know, the new Nintendo Switch OLED is now out in stores, depending on which store you go to. Some stores aren't able to get the product, some are, so you have to go around, kind of do your own, your own fishing and stuff. But I don't know, as a smaller YouTuber, I wasn't able to get it ahead of time, but on opening day, I was lucky enough to find one at the Target that I went to, and here it is. So we're going to be unboxing that today. Also, I'm going to show you a quick comparison on the old Nintendo Switch on, how it actually looks compared to the brand new OLED model. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This guy right here it is. I got the white version here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Sorry that my screen isn't angled correctly. The way that I have it set up, if I angle it, it's not going to show everything, so I'm going to just hold it up for you guys. There's a lot of content already on this product already. But I figure for the ones that do watch this content, that watch this channel, this might be something you're interested in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So here is what the screen looks like here. Comes with the actual Switch, okay? Comes with your Joy-Cons, 2 of them of course. Let's go ahead and hook that up. Slide these on like this. Bam. Bam. Okay. This is what the bad boy looks like. Alright, so compared to the old Switch, which I have here, see how much bigger those edges are that aren't screen compared to the brand new full screen pretty much for it. I'm sorry if you hear the people in the background. They're doing some stuff outside of my apartment complex, but very, very beautiful device here. If you guys are just now picking up a Nintendo Switch for yourself for the first time, this is definitely the way to go. And if you are also an old Switch user, this guy is definitely a great upgrade. As you can see or already know from all the news and all the updates, it has a full kickstand now. It's not just a small little thing on the back of your device. Also, of course, you already know it's already in white and a much larger screen. The audio is also much better, I hear. Haven't tested it out yet, but you can bet that after today I am definitely going to be spending a lot of time on this product. Also, what it comes with here below, it's going to be a brand new dock. It's not black anymore unless you get the original colors, the blue and the red. I believe that dock is black, but if you're getting the white model, this is what it's gonna look like. It's kind of got a nice updated feel to it, kind of like the PS5 does. It's got that nice white. The inside is also a different design. It's not blocky, it's kind of rounded out. The inside's got like a gloss black finish, which it's not something on the old Switch has. It also has your different ports in there. Also comes with your Joy-Con controller holder. Let's see what else we got in here. The ends to your Joy-Cons, and then also it comes with your cords, of course. Alright, that's going to be it for this product. If you guys want more content on the beautiful OLED Switch, let me know down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.